welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing a baby clothing haul. And I picked up quite a few things for my daughter, and most of them still didn't get here yet, and it's actually time for her to start transitioning into these clothes. But I decided I'm just gonna film with what I have. And I picked up some stuff from Old Navy, Marshalls, Pat, and Amazon. So if you want to see what I got my baby girl, definitely keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off with my favorite item from Amazon, and it's this pretty pink and silver sweater set. So this is a sweater, it's long sleeve, and I freaking love the detailing at the bottom, and it's also giving me teddy bear vibes. All the baby clothes that I got from Amazon is actually Juicy Couture, so yeah. And this is the bottom, and I don't know if you guys could see the glitter inside of it, but it's so sticky cute. So my next favorite item is this winter suit. On Amazon they call it a pram, and it's just pretty white, fluffy, all-in-one. And I like the fact that it has the mittens on it, and it comes with a hoodie with some cute ears. And the material is plush and it is so thick. We live in New York and it's pretty cold over here, so I know this is gonna keep her very warm. So the next thing I got from Amazon is bodysuits, and it's also Juicy Couture. So the first one is just a plain white bodysuit, and it just has the print Choose Juicy, and it's just simple. There's nothing going on in the back. The other one is this pink one, Juicy at the front as always, plain back, and I absolutely love this pink. This is also another one from the set, and the front just says Love Juicy, and it's just this striped pink bodysuit. And the last one, which is my favorite one, is this one. And the thing about Amazon, most of their Juicy Couture bodysuit comes in a set at a very affordable price, so I think that's a steal. So I also got a next set in 4s, and this is the first one. And Juicy Couture bodysuits are very soft, like I'm obsessed with them. Like she has so many Juicy Couture clothing that I'm obsessed with. Like her grandparents call her Juicy Baby. So this is what this one looks like. So this is the other one, and I freaking love this pink. Like this is my favorite color, blush baby pink. And the last one from the set is this one, and I think this is so cute. So the next items are these onesies, and it comes in a pack of 5, and this is more, you know, bold colors. So this one just have a nice rainbow on it. There's nothing going on in the back. So the next one is this, and I freaking love the graffiti on it. This is the other one, Wild at Heart. And then this one. My favorite one out of this entire pack is this pretty teal aqua blue bodysuit. Like, tell me this shit not cute. So the last item I got from Amazon is this Juicy Couture overall, and it's just white and gold with some cute hearts in it. And the thing about overalls, I like when it buttons up at the crotch because it's so convenient for when the baby's asleep. You just change the diaper and keep it pushing. But I thought this was cute, so I just picked it up regardless. So the next items I got is from Pat, and it's just this denim dress, and it buttons up at the front, and it has this little tie detailing at the top. This is so freaking cute. And I'm surprised with the quality because I kind of seen some mixed reviews. So the last item I got from Pat is just a set, and it comes with a denim distress G. Like, what the heck? This is so stinking cute. And also comes with this off the shoulder top with a head tie. And the top, I'm not really fond of the material. It's a silky material, but she's gonna wear it regardless. So the items that I'm about to show you is from Old Navy, and I just picked up a few bodysuits, and I got this one. This one was actually a boy bodysuit, but I like the shade of blue, so I picked it up for her. So I also got this neon peach bodysuit, and it's a rib material. It's very stretchy, and I freaking love this one. And of course, babies need plain white onesies. So this is the kimono style, and I freaking love them. So the next bodysuit is actually a set of three. It comes with this mauve kind of color. It looks pretty bright. It looks pretty bright on camera, but I promise you it doesn't look like this in person. Also this blush pink one. And also this cream bodysuit. And the last thing I picked up from Old Navy are these knee-high socks. And these don't look like they could go underneath. So from Marshalls, I picked up some socks. I got some all white ones. And I also picked these up too. So the next item that I got from Marshalls is this long sleeve bodysuit. And it's just in this pretty blush pink. And I love the material. It's like a knit kind of material, but it's so light and soft, and no ear could actually pass through it. She's not gonna be hot. So the last item from Marshall that I picked up is a pajama set. So this is the bottoms, this is the top. I love the colors, and it's like a ribbed material, but it's very thick but soft. So that concludes the baby clothing haul. I hope you guys like the piece that I picked up because I'm like obsessed with everything. Like baby clothes is absolute cutest. And I wish I had everything to show you guys, but you know I gotta do what I gotta do. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.